The world's strongest man attributes his incredible strength not just to intense training but also a strict focus on nutrition, recovery, and mental resilience. His secret involves a combination of heavy lifting routines targeted to build maximum power, balanced diet rich in protein and essential nutrients, and dedicated rest period to allow muscles to repair and grow. Additionally, he emphasizes the importance of mindset, using visualization and goal setting techniques. He stays motivated and overcome challenges. This holistic approach helps him maintain peak performance and achieve feats of strength that inspire men worldwide. His name is Mr. Luis Felipe. Thanks for watching and joining us.